Your name is Nathan. What's good, Nathan? You're streaming right now? Sick. It's actually back. Double pump. Double pump is back. All right, we're about to go crazy, chat. I see some loot. I see some loot. I need some shield though. Can I get some shield? Somebody give me some shield. Is that really what the original submachine gun looked like? I have no recollection of that, chat. I actually have no recollection of this submachine gun. And I've got no map. How do I have 11 ping? 10 ping. It feels pretty good. Double pump menace? I don't know about that. Chat, all right, listen, we're in a hype train. How much we got? Like 2 minutes left? Can we try to get to oh, I gotta worry about that guy. Can we try to get to a level 2 real quick? Level 2? All right, we got this. Let's get Amanda. Thank you guys for all the likes. I need heals, chat. I need minis. Like, where am I supposed to find this stuff? Oh, that's my sniper, chat. That's mine. Give me a second. Did I hear a grenade launcher? See, medkits still work the way you would anticipate them to work. But I also have no freaking... Okay. Hey, Sonya, I thought you were gonna go work out today. I dropped my pump. I just realized. Did I not block it? GG's Lynette James. When it's just hanging off your back. Does this thing shoot like max distance? She say use your hands in my spare time. We got one thing in common, it's this tongue of mine, she said. I got no freaking shield, chat. Kayla, the 200 bits. Oh, just Just too late for the level 2 hype train, but I appreciate it anyway. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for all the biddies. I like that because it still looks cool. Chat. Can I not jump through this? Booty head with the 5 gifted. Thank you, bro. Hold up.
And I just thought it would be a good idea.
Hold up. Thank you, Booty. They balance this grenade launcher, chat. It's not like OP.
And I just thought it would be a good idea if you...
Thank you so much, Booty. She's singing along. She knows the song? She knows the words like that
I just thought
song?
it would be a good idea if you... And I just thought it would be a good idea if you...
Sarah with the 10. What the frick? That might bounce and hit me. Sarah! What the frick, chat? Y'all are freaking goofballs. There's 2 people here? I just need shield, chat. Holy crap. This is everyone, chat. Just need to get head. Don't sign me.